Now we're going to go on to painting. For painting, I made these cardboard bases. I made 3 because I could not get the sizing right. I kept making it too small, so I had to go back and make a couple more. Especially for the fingers, you're going to want to make sure the fingers are a bit bigger than yours, just so it stretches nicely and you can actually paint it. But don't go too big, because then you won't be actually able to fit it. But you can always go smaller, but you just can't go bigger. Next, I took the sleeve and made 3 little dash marks. This was the start of the guide for the web pattern for the glove. Basically just made sure that the web pattern is going to match up with the sleeve of the shirt. Then I drew out the pattern with an inky pen. Started the painting, but I just wanted to show you what I did. I just basically freehanded it, did my own style for it, tried to make it a little bit classy, or classic rather. Then I fabric painted it all down like that, waited for it to dry. With the wrist part, I decided to go with a design that suggests that the web starts here and then bends over the rest of the glove and the fingers, as you can see right there. An idea came to me to clean up the ugly bits with a sewing pin, but that didn't work too good. I ended up just doing that with the nozzle of the fabric paint. That's what the back looked like, that's what the front looks like. Pretty nice. Anyway, these are the gloves. This is the front of it. That's the inside with the palm, I mean, not the front of it. And there's the fingers. You can see the fingers on the back. That's the back of the glove. And the elastic band is in there too. Basically just fold over the fabric, sew it down, feed the elastic through. And I used the fabric paint to hide the elastic threads for the elastic loop. And that's pretty much it. That's done. Next is going to be a face shell, and we'll pretty much be ready to go with this Spider-Man costume. So I'll see you next time on Spare Time.